Are you looking for the best keyboards for your home office? In this video we will look at some of the best keyboards for your home office on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ajazz AK 820 Keyboard. Experience seamless gaming with the Ajazz AK 820 wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to play your favorite games without any wires. Highly bright and wear-resistant TFT color screen, time, date, battery level, connection mode and other keyboard status at a glance. And you can also customize the GIF animated pictures as you like. The knob is designed with anodized process. No matter in the office or playing games, you can quickly adjust the volume level. This keyboard features hot swappable tri-mode RGB, allowing you to customize your gaming experience based on your preferences and needs. Made with durable ABS plastic keycap material, this keyboard is designed to withstand intense gaming sessions, ensuring long-lasting performance. 1.2mm thickness, with a single key slotted design, one axis and one slot only for the pursuit of better feel and greater soft play. Slotted PC positioning board makes the keys more stable when pressed down and reduces wobbling with PCB slotting to bring a soft feel. Number 2. RK61 ROYAL Kludge Keyboard. RK61 Mini 60% gaming keyboard is ultra-compact layout with 61 keys makes you a neat desktop with your organized gears on. Even folks have nothing to do with minimalist will dive into its tiny practical design. Tips you might want to know is that keyboard without numpad is most FPS gamers' choice. More space is left for mouse movements. Bluetooth and USB wired way. Extremely low latency in the absence of signal interference. Easily 3 different devices switchable with FN+Q/W/E in wireless mode will hype you up and maximize your productivity. Hot swap PCB allows you to replace 3 pins/5 pins switches freely without soldering issue. Enjoy the fun of making your own unique keyboard. Only tri-modes support hot swap. Use continuously about 13 hours with lightest backlit, up to 360 hours standby time. 18 RGB backlight modes, 8 monochrome backlight modes and 1 full color backlight. These modes will give you more enjoyable when you gaming or typing at night. Number 3. LEOBOG M75 Kit Keyboard. Compatible with most mechanical switches on the market, plug and play. Compatible with 3-pin/5-pin shaft body, hot swappable PCB, exploring new ways to play. The interior adopts gasket structure, which reduces resonance and provides good noise attenuation. With the PC positioning board, the sound is clearer and the hand feels more comfortable. With 81 keys, this keyboard provides ample space for comfortable and accurate typing, making it perfect for gamers and professionals alike. Keyboard backlight color can be changed via LEOBOG M75 RGB custom software, supporting a variety of light effect, fast switching and self-define every single key with the light you want. Please kindly get the software from seller. High quality aluminum alloy case for collection. Customize your premium feel keyboard. Perfect choice for collection and holiday gift. Number 4. AULA F99 Mechanical Keyboard. F99 is a gasket-mounted keyboard with a PC plate and 5 layers, premium silicone pads and noise reduction cotton to reduce 95% hollow noise, absurd typing noise, and enhance the unique soft and comfortable. F99 has multiple RGB backlit modes that you can switch with simple shortcuts. You can make your RGB effects with the F99 software. With the software, all kinds of keyboard key functions could be set, macro recorded. F99 is equipped with hot swappable PCB to ensure free replacement or change of switches. It is compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches. F99 supports USB wired, 2.4G wireless and BT 5.0 connection, a good option for users who has multiple devices. It's compatible with laptop, iPad, iOS, Windows, Mac or Android. AULA F99 equipped with built-in 8000 mAh capacity lithium battery, which can be charging through the Type-C cable while using in wired mode. When fully charged, it lasts about 400 hours with the light off. Number 5. M75 RK Royal Keyboard. Higher level keyboard structure, pure sound, soft feel. This wonderful feel can make the typing process very pleasant and full of fun. 75% layout with 81 keys, which saves 25% of the PC gaming keyboard's space and makes the desktop more concise. This gaming keyboard is a boutique equipment for PC gamers and office users. Brand new OLED screen and rotary knob, making this wireless mechanical keyboard fun. Display functions, battery level, Win, Mac, wired/2.4G/Bluetooth mode, volume level, knob function, switch machine, volume adjustment, switch mode. This keyboard supports 3 connection modes, including USB-C wired mode, 2.4G wireless mode and Bluetooth 5.1 mode. Up to 3 devices can be connected via Bluetooth at the same time, and can be easily switched by the knob. Compatible with Win, Mac dual system, unlimited use. High quality PCB supports 3 5-pin hot swappable, so you can enjoy the fun of making your own unique PC gaming keyboard without soldering. The linear fast silver switch improves the accuracy and initial pressure of the switch, effectively prevents false touches, triggers faster, and has strong stability. It is an ideal switch for long-term gaming keyboard use and gamers.